Hello everyone, welcome to Fulltechstack. So guys, today we are going to talk about 5 Visual Studio Code extensions that are definitely gonna help you code efficiently. Restore terminals. For this, I have prepared a directory containing multiple spas or project, namely project 1, project 2, project 3 and project library, project lib 1. Now let us open Visual Studio Code in the same directory. Now let's say I want to serve my spa2, that is project 2. For that I have to go to the terminal and switch the directory to project 2. But then what if I want to run project 1 now and simultaneously I also want to run project 3? Then I would have to re-switch the directory again and again. But imagine if we have a dedicated terminal for all these projects. For this, Visual Studio Code provides us with an extension that is Restore Terminal. So you can simply go to Extensions and look for one. Here is the complete detail for the Restore Terminals. You can give it a read. Since I already have it installed in my system, it is showing me two options, Disable and Uninstall. Otherwise, it would give you option for Enable and Install. Now, I simply have to copy this configuration under How to Use section and simply paste it in my settings.json file. Now you can see that under Split Terminals configuration, we have two keys, name and commands. Let us update name key with the project name and commands with the project directory location. Here I have updated all of the configurations according to my directory. Now I'm simply gonna open my terminal window and you can see these multiple tabs for our respective projects. These are the names that we have entered in the name key of the Split Terminals configuration: project 1, project 2, project 3 and project lib. Now if I click on project 1 and I enter a command, then it is directly gonna take me to the directory project 1. And if I need to serve my project 2, then I simply can click on the project 2 tab or terminal for project 3, project lib respectively. Now you have a dedicated terminal window or a terminal tab for your corresponding project in your directory. Now let us talk about AUTOHIDE. Now, for understanding AUTOHIDE extension, let us create a test.js file. Now, if I have to code inside test.js file, then you see the space provided to me for coding is quite small. And that is because of this Explorer pane or this terminal pane. And if I have to increase this space provided to me for coding, then I manually have to close this Explorer pane and terminal pane. But what if I tell you if I start coding inside test.js file, then this Explorer pane and this terminal pane is gonna auto-hide. This is what AUTOHIDE extension provides us. For that, let us go to extension marketplace and search for AUTOHIDE. Since I already have it installed in my system, so now let's see how it works. You see, the moment I started typing, my Explorer pane disappeared. This was it about AUTOHIDE extension. Explorer exclude extension. So guys, when we are working on multiple projects or say any Angular or front-end back-end project, you see there are a lot of files visible in our Explorer pane, which sometimes causes confusion while working or even misclicks may happen. So as a solution to this problem, we are provided with Explorer exclude extension. You can search for one in the marketplace. Since I already have it installed and enabled, let's see how it works. Simply right click on any option or file in your Explorer pane and select Add to Hidden Items option. And it will provide you with checkbox selection. You can select items to hide from here. And you see in the bottom right corner we have this Hidden Items menu from where you can check or uncheck the files that you want to see or hide accordingly. Thunder Client. Suppose you are working on any client-side project and you want to test a certain endpoint of any API. You need a REST API client like Postman or Arc, but now you can also avoid installing Postman or any other REST API client by simply adopting Thunder Client extension available in the extensions marketplace. It provides almost all the functionalities that any other REST API client offers. Once you have added Thunder Client extension, you'll be provided with this Thunder Client icon. You can click on new request to try it out with a sample URL already added here. You can add query params, headers, auth, body, and hit send to get the response on the right pane present here. Code Spell Checker. Code Spell Checker is another powerful extension that can help you code efficiently. On enabling this extension on your VS Code, it will start highlighting any spelling mistake and even provide you with quick fix suggestions to avoid any spelling mistake, hence providing more readability to your code. Please feel free to drop any queries related to this video in our comment section. Thank you for watching.